Welcome to our tutorial on how to find your blocked list on Snapchat, featuring the latest updates. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, locate your avatar or profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it to proceed. Next, look for the settings icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the settings icon to access the settings menu. Now, it's time to find your blocked list. Scroll down within the settings menu until you reach the option for blocked users. Tap on blocked users to view the list of contacts you have blocked on Snapchat. With these simple steps, you can easily manage and monitor your blocked list on Snapchat. Stay in control of your interactions and privacy settings by regularly checking and updating your blocked users. Thank you for following along with our tutorial. Enjoy exploring the enhanced features of Snapchat with this updated guide.